Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain about YouTube payment cycle. Okay, let's get into this. First, you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours on the last 365 days. Once you reach this, your channel has been monetized. After that, ads will be placed on your videos. After that, once you reach the minimum threshold $100, you are ready to get paid. That's an overview of YouTube payment cycle. Okay. When will YouTube revenue transferred from YouTube Studio to my Adsense account? And then when will YouTube pay my earnings to my bank account? Actually, most of the YouTube creators having the same doubt. Let's see that. For example, if you add a newly monetized channel, let's say you get monetized on January 1st, 2022. From that onwards, ads will start placed on your videos. Then your earnings will be added to your YouTube Studio. Like your 1st January revenue will update on 3rd January on your YouTube Studio. Likewise, your revenue will be added regularly. From February 7 to 12, your total January earnings from Jan 1 to Jan 31 will be added to your linked AdSense account. Now, let's say your January revenue reached the minimum threshold $100. Then you are lucky. You get paid on this month, February. From February 21st to 27th, YouTube will transfer your Jan earnings to your bank account. Then you will receive an email like this. When you see this email, they transferred your fund to your bank account. After that, your money will be deposited to your account by your bank. It's actually different for different countries. For me, on first time, it takes 5 to 6 days after I received the mail from YouTube. After that, I usually receive this mail on 21st and gets paid on 22nd or 23rd. If weekend means plus 1 or 2 days will be added. It purely depends on your country and your bank. Yeah. Likewise, this payment process keeps cycle every month. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means please leave a like and share your thoughts on comments. Thanks for watching.